In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a YouTube production workflow in Asana using Board View. We're going to create a simple but effective system that helps you track every stage of your content process in one place. This is especially useful if you want a clearer overview of what's being written, filmed, edited, and prepared for publishing without losing track of deadlines or responsibilities. Start by opening Asana and creating a new project. When prompted to choose a layout, select Board View, since this format is ideal for moving video tasks across different stages of production. Give your project the name YouTube Hub. Keeping the project name clear and specific makes it easier to find later, especially if you manage multiple workflows inside Asana. Once the project is created, set up your columns to reflect the main stages of your video pipeline. Add a column for script, another for film, then edit, thumbnail, and finally publish. These columns act like a visual roadmap for each video. As work progresses, you can simply drag a task from one column to the next, which makes your entire process easier to understand at a glance. Try to keep the column names short and consistent so the board stays clean and readable. Next, create reusable task templates that include your production checklist. This is one of the most valuable parts of the setup because it saves time and reduces the chance of forgetting important steps. For each new video, instead of building a task from scratch, you'll be able to use a template with pre-written checklist items already included. That could cover the core actions your team needs to complete during production. The goal here is consistency. A reusable template ensures that every video follows the same workflow, which is especially helpful when your publishing schedule gets busy. After that, assign team members to the relevant tasks and add due dates. This helps everyone understand who is responsible for what and when each stage needs to be finished. If multiple people are involved in the production process, assigning ownership prevents confusion and keeps tasks from being overlooked. Due dates also make it much easier to stay on schedule and spot delays before they affect your publishing plan. Once everything is in place, your YouTube Hub will function